Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janelle Samora, and this is Scent Talk from my closet. Um, on this channel, we talk about all things fragrance. We go over dupe houses, clone houses, original fragrances, lotions, layering combos, hair oils, fragrance oil, roll-on oils, travel sprays. I mean, you name it, fragrance. We're going to talk about it on this channel. So if that's something that you're interested in, then hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted to new videos. So we're back. It is Christmas Eve still. I had a horrendous headache earlier, but I decided that to get into the Christmas spirit because my doorbell rang before I was going to go ahead in the shower. And it's all about the Christmas spirit now, okay? Because we have received our alien fusion that I was not expecting until next week. And I thought for sure, hey, maybe we'll set up a Mugler week, but I'm not sure if I have too much. Like, I don't think I have a full week of Mugler or Mugler. How do you say it? Thierry Mugler. I have an Alien Essence Absolute dupe that I adore, and I have the Angel Muse EDT, and I also have the Angel Muse EDP, the Eau de Perfume, which surprisingly I didn't think there was going to be a huge difference. There is a difference on the Angel Muse EDT versus the EDP. So the EDT to me is like fresher, it has a fruitier hint of something fruitier in there and fresh. Like I said, you could pull it off, like let's say during the day, and then for nighttime you could do the Angel Muse EDP because it's heavier. It's got a patchouli note in there that's really, really beautiful. Anyway, so maybe possibly we could do that because the only other Alien that I own, because I have not purchased Alien, even though I'm super curious about it, is the original Alien. I think I've gone through 3 samples of these. So that could be a week we could do, maybe if I get a hold of some more. But I just wanted to unbox this with you guys and do like an overview. And it's on sale at Sephora right now. If they haven't sold out, you could do the fragrance 20 coupon code, and there's I believe it's on sale for $60. Plus you could do another coupon code. It'll tell you right there. I forgot what the coupon code was, but that's how you could do it. Also, if you've already used your fragrance 20, because you can only use it once, and I want to say today is the last day. Okay, so I think so. If not, the Mugler website itself has this one marked down really, really, really good price at the moment too. So I want to review this. I want to open it. I want to experience it like Christmas morning. When that doorbell rang, I swear to you that my headache was gone. So this is Alien Fusion. It is a flanker of the Alien. And what we got in here, it's an amber floral fragrance. Okay. We have top notes of ginger and cinnamon. I haven't picked a scent for tonight either, or not for tonight, for like in a little bit, because like we need to head out. I'm looking for something because I'm going to show you guys. So we need to head out soon. So I need to hurry up. Man, that medicine is good. So I might be able to handle something flowery now, and this might foot the bill because, like I said, we got ginger and cinnamon in the top notes. We have orange blossom, tuberose, white amber, and vanilla in the dry down. That's sounding rather, what is the word? We're opening this baby up. Oh my goodness, look at that beautiful bottle. Check that out. So this is Alien Fusion. But the one thing I love about the Mugler house is the beautiful bottles, and just so different, right? That would look so nice here on the little display I got going on here. It would look so nice. We got a few new fragrances here as well to review. So Alien Fusion. What do y'all think? I hope I don't get my headache back. I can't smell it. Okay, Alien Fusion. This is an amber floral fragrance. It was released in 2019, and we're about to experience it. And I have to do this on skin. Like, there's going to be no other way. We have to do this on skin, okay? So amber floral fragrance, ginger, cinnamon, orange blossom, tuberose. This fragrance has been compared, or some people say it reminds them of D&G, Dolce & Gabbana, The Only One, which I have and I love. The day that I wore that, I was so happy wearing the Dolce & Gabbana, The Only One. My daughter chose it over Dolce. Oh, The Only One Intense actually is the one that I prefer at the moment over The Only One. It's just heavier to me. It was so beautiful. Rouge Malachite from the Armani Privé line, which I have an oil perfumery. Rouge Malachite, which I actually layered with the D&G Only One. Then it also reminds people of Alien Essence Absolute. Don't know how true that is. And then JPG, Jean Paul Gaultier's Classique. Okay, so that's kind of what the realm that this is. What leads me to believe that this would be a perfect holiday fragrance is the cinnamon and then the dry down of the vanilla. So we're going to go for it. We're going to spray a couple of sprays there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm like a kid on Christmas morning. I promise you. I was so in the previous video, and this one, I'm sure y'all can tell. I'm excited. I'm over the top excited at the moment. Okay, we're letting it go. We're letting it go a little. Okay. It's nice. I would not have been able to handle this earlier. It's really floral. Definitely floral. It's supposed to have the ginger and the cinnamon in the top notes, but I'm not getting it. They're completely being overtaken by this white amber dry down. Hold on. By the orange blossom and the tuberose, possibly. Okay. It's nice. It's nice. I was so excited for this. It's not really reminding me. Okay, it's not. Oops, that was loud. I'm sorry. I'm just so excited. It's not giving me the Rouge Malachite, or is it? Actually, it is. It is Armani Privé Rouge Malachite. I'll have to wear this and test it out. It's not. Okay, it's not like it's warm. But I wouldn't say it's not creamy, anything like that. Definitely not. But it's nice. I think this is definitely one that I could pull off. Even though it's... Okay, so one, I did not want it to be like the Angel Nova that so many reviewers that I had seen was like, oh, it's like, what is the word? It's raspberry and it's beautiful, and then I got a hold of the Angel Nova and I just could not handle. I don't know, it was the lychee. There's like this wood, Lord knows what note in there. It doesn't have too many notes, the Angel Nova. I could not do it. Okay, this is perfumey. I guess anything that has like that with white flowers to me smells. Or even my little one will say it's perfumey. But it's nice. It's a nice perfumey. You guys, I don't smell the cinnamon. I don't smell the cinnamon or the ginger. But it's good. Okay. I'm not getting Christmassy vibes. I'm not getting, like what Grand Soy from MFK would give me, like, or this one too, the Casa Moratti Surge Off, always gives me like party vibes. The Casa Moratti 1888, that gives me party vibes. This just gives me pretty it's like elegant. It's giving me like elegance. Okay, I'm gonna have to play with that for sure, but no, it's not cinnamon forward. maybe that'll come out later. I mean, it's supposed to be in the top notes though. What? It's supposed to be in the top notes. Here I am spraying it all over the place. Because I'm like, where are people getting cinnamon from? Nope, my skin is not pulling out any cinnamons. I mean, but it says the dry down will hit us with some vanilla, so maybe that'll be nice. I don't know. It's good. It's something that I will definitely be keeping in my collection. I especially look at this bottle. It's beautiful. But it's not like a like a cinnamon. It's not warm to me. First of all, it's just straight up flowery. It's flowery, and it's reminding me of the Alien quite a bit, actually, of the original Alien. We're doing it again. We're gonna be here for 10-20 minutes trying to sniff this. Yeah, I think that this would give it a slightly sweeter kick that I love. I love sweet kicks. I think this would be a lovely combination, actually. Your Oil Perfumery Rouge Malachite with the Alien Fusion. Also, it just got out of the mail. It just landed on my door. So, fragrances, all the notes and whatnot, you should let them sit. This is the recommendation. You should let your fragrances sit for at least a couple of days, a day and a half. Like tomorrow afternoon, if I come back to this, it might smell different than what it's giving me right now. But I'm not getting the cinnamon. Maybe it'll come out later. But do I like it? Yes, I do. I do like it. Okay, that's my first impression of Alien Fusion. I'm not getting the cinnamon. I'm not getting the ginger. I'm just getting white notes, like white flowers, but good ones that I can tolerate. Because look at that, I'm like, and it's good. And I think I will definitely, once I wear this, we'll mix it with this Rouge Malachite. So exciting, so exciting. It was a go. It was a hit, and I can't wait to really do like a full wear test. They say that it has strong sillage and that it's long lasting. It's got long lasting power. So it's if you are into that, sillage, long lasting power, beautiful flowery, and it's got the alien DNA. Oh, I can't wait till this settles down. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be better than what it's giving me right now. I know it is. So I can tell it's gonna be a keeper. All right, you guys, that was it for today. For the unboxing here, I just wanted to jump on and show you guys how excited I am to receive a new fragrance. Super exciting. And you guys have yourself a safe rest of your day. Thank you. Bye.